Hi, Vasco Ispirian from Garnish Music Production School. Today I'm going to talk about velocity, which is a powerful tool and usually underrated. It's part of the MIDI protocol and is the force with which a note is played. I'm playing this simple hi-hat pattern with some velocity variations. It's usually mapped to the volume, so the harder we play, the louder it sounds. But let's map to the frequency, so it doesn't change only the volume but also the pitch. In this way we can humanize our patterns, so they don't sound so mechanical. Another example could be with this bass I just made before with the melodic step sequencer. I'm going to modulate the filter envelope via the velocity. So the higher velocity, the brighter it sounds. These are only a couple of examples. I hope you like it, and see you in the next one.